Question number 1. Who wrote the biography of Humayun? Answer option C. Gulbadan. Question number 2. Which among the following is not related to Sher Shah Suri? The answer is option D. Tanka. Question number 3. In the First Battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by whom? The correct answer is option A. Babur. Question number 4. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? The answer is option A. Bahlol Lodi. Question number 5. The reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq witnessed the invasion of. Answer option D. Taimur. Question number 6. Which Mughal emperor wrote Tuzuki Baburi? The answer is option B. Babur. Question number 7. Humayun founded at his second capital, Bin Panah, at which place? The answer is option C. Delhi. Question number 8. Which Muslim ruler of Delhi introduced Tekken currency? The answer is option C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 9. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred the capital from Delhi to which other city? The answer is option C. Daulatabad. Question number 10. Which ruler was given the title of Hazrat Dinari? The answer is option A. Malik Kafur. Question number 11. Name the European who discovered the sea road from Europe to India via Cape of Good Hope. The answer is option B. Vasco da Gama. Question number 12. Who was the first Portuguese governor in India? Option C. Francisco de Almeida. Question number 13. The English East India Company opened their first factory in which year? The answer is option B. 1613. Question number 14. The English East India Company opened their first factory in 1613 at which place? This is option A. Surat. Question number 15. Name the architecture built by Alauddin Khilji. Answer option B. Alai Darwaza. Question number 16. Who was the founder of Sikh religion? The answer is option C. Guru Nanak. Question number 17. Captain William Hawkins obtained Farman from which Mughal ruler? The answer is option B. Jahangir. Question number 18. Which among the following can be contributed to Guru Arjan? The answer is option C. Golden Temple. Question number 19. Which Mughal ruler executed Guru Takht Bahadur? The answer is option D. Aurangzeb. Question number 20. Khalsa Pant was discovered by which Sikh Guru? The answer is option D. Guru Gobind Singh. Question number 1. Who was the founder of Muslim League? The answer is option A. Nawab Salimullah. Question number 2. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? The correct answer is option D. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Question number 3. Who gave the slogan of Go Back to the Vedas? The answer is option A. Swami Dayananda. Question number 4. In India, the headquarters of Theosophical Society was set up at which place? B. Edea. Question number 5. The Surat session of INC took place in which year? The answer is option C. 1907. Question number 6. The Congress got divided into two wings during which session? The answer is option D. Surat. Question number 7. Separate electorate of Muslims was introduced for the first time by which act? The answer is option C. Morley Minto reforms. Question number 8. In which year Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashram? The correct answer is option C. 1916. Question number 9. During Samparan Satyagraha, Gandhiji fought for the cause of which among the following groups? The answer is option A. Indigo cultivators. Question number 10. Which was the first non-cooperation movement led by Gandhiji? Answer is option D. Bardoli Satyagraha. Question number 11. Who among the following started the Home Rule movement first? Answer is option B. B.G. Tilak. Question number 12. The Lucknow session of the Congress was presided over by which among the following? The answer is option A. Ambika Charan Majumdar. Question number 13. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place at Amritsar in which year? Question number 14. Who was the first individual Satyagrahi? The answer is option D. Vinoba Bhave. Question number 15. Ali brothers organized which movement in 1920? The correct answer is option B. Khilafat. Question number 16. INC passed the non-cooperation resolution at which session? This option A, Kolkata. Question number 17. The Chauri Chaura incidents of 1922 was held at which place? Answer option C, UP. Question number 18. Which movement was called off by Gandhiji as a result of Chauri Chaura incidents? Answer option D, non-cooperation movement. Question number 19. At which INC session Swaraj was adopted as the ultimate goal? The correct answer is option A, Lahore. Question number 20. Name the leaders who designed the Nehru Report. The answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 1. Gandhiji started Dandi March to launch which movement? The answer is option A, civil disobedience movement. Question number 2. First Independence Day was celebrated on which date? The correct answer is option C, 15th August 1947. Question number 3. Who among the following did not participate in first roundtable conference? This is option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Question 4. The demand for Pakistan was put forward during which session of Muslim League? Answer option B, Lahore. Question 5. Who laid the foundation of Indian National Army? The correct answer is option C, Mohan Singh. Question 6. The famous slogan Dilli Chalo was given by? Answer option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 7. Name the first newspaper of British India. Answer option C, Bengal Gazette. Question number 8. Who is the author of the book Andomat? The answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 9. Mahatma Gandhi presided which session of Congress? Answer is option B, Belgaum. Question number 10. Who was the first Muslim president of INC? The correct answer is option A, Badruddin Tayebji. Question number 11. Which leader died as a result of brutal lathi charge? Answer option C, Lala Rajpat Rai. Question number 12. Who was the first nationalist to give the idea of Pakistan? The answer is option C, Chaudhuri Rehmat Ali. Question number 13. Name the female fighting brigade of INA. Answer is option A, Rani of Jhansi. Question number 14. Who was the first individual Satyagrahi? Answer option D, Vinoba Bhave. Question number 15. Which plan is also known as 3rd June plan? Answer is option C, Mountbatten plan. Question number 16. Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachinanand Sinha. Question number 17. Who was the head of interim government of India? Answer option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 18. In which year Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashram? Option C, 1916. Question number 19. Year 1757 is remembered to which among the following battles? The correct answer is option A, Battle of Plassey. Question number 20. Where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose establish Provisional Government of Free India? Answer option A, Singapore. Question 1. Where did Gandhiji form the Satyagraha Sabha? The answer is option A, Bombay. Question number 2. Which of the following leader organized the Swaraj Party? Answer option C, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Question number 3. Which of the following incident ended the historic fast of Gandhi? Answer option A, Pune Pact. Question number 4. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928? The correct answer is option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 5. Which of the following events inspired for the formation of the Home Rule Leagues? Is option A, First World War. Question number 6. Which of the following newspaper was started by Eli Besant? Option D, New India. Question number 7. Noakhali is situated in B, Bangladesh. Question number 8. Who is regarded as the father of modern India? Answer option A, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Question number 9. Who is the author of Vande Mataram? Answer option C, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 10. The first woman to become a chief minister of any state in India was? Answer option C, Sucheta Kripalani. Question number 11. Who started the English newspaper in India? Answer is option C. J. Hickey. Question number 12. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Answer is option B. Annie Besant. Question number 13. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the Salt Satyagraha? Option C. Sevagram. Question number 14. The Gandhi Iron Pact was associated to which of the following movements of India? Answer is option B. Civil disobedience. Question number 15. Who was the founder of the Andhra Mahila Sabha? Option B. Durgabai Deshmukh. Question number 16. In which year Soriswara incident happened? Answer is option A. 1922. Question number 17. On which date Simon Commission arrived in Bombay? Answer option C. 3rd February 1928. Question number 18. The Congress Socialist Party was founded in which year? Answer is option A. 1934. Question number 19. In which of the following years the capital of India was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? Option B. 1911. Question number 20. The most important feature of the Government of India Act of 1990 was? The answer is option D. All the above. Question 1. When was the Battle of Boxer fought? Option A. 1705. Option B. 1728. Option C. 1756. Option D. 1764. The answer is option D. 1764. Question number 2. Which of the following building was not built by Shah Jahan? The answer is option B. Building Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri. Question number 3. The first viceroy of British India was? The answer is option A. Lord Canning. Question number 4. The All India National Congress was founded in 1885 by? Answer option B. A.O. Hume. Question number 5. Who was the last Mughal emperor? The correct answer is option C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question number 6. Who declared Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? The answer is option B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question 7. The permanent settlement of Bengal was affected by? Lord Cornwallis. Question number 8. The movement which was launched by Annie Besant is known as? The answer is option C. Home Rule. Question number 9. Which of the European came to India first? The answer is option A. The Portuguese. Question number 10. The court language of Mughals was? Answer is option C. Persian. Question number 11. The Battle of Plassey was fought between? Answer is option D. Nawab Sirajuddaulah and Britishers. Question number 12. The influence of which school of paintings is evident in the paintings of Mughal court? Is option A. Persian. Question number 13. The Agra fort was constructed in the region of? C. Akbar. Question number 14. Akbar promulgated Deen Ilahi in 1582. It was? Answer option B. Code of Conduct. Question number 15. Akbar built Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri too. Answer option C. Bold religious discussion. Question number 16. Who was the first Muslim ruler who imposed Jizya tax on Brahmins? Answer is option D. Firoz Shah. Question number 17. Who changed the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? The answer is option A. Muhammad Tughlaq. Question number 18. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? The correct answer is option B. Harihara and Bakarai. Question number 19. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Maharana Pratap and Mughal Empire in the year? Is option A. 1576. Question number 20. The King Kharvel of Kalinga was a? Answer option C. Zanijam.